Talk to me. Tell me what you got. You know he's starting to focus, I think.
That's what I was doing this morning, walking back and forth, or last night, around the bed, and he was following, really tired.